You're welcome to Akwasi TV. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.
You know, I saw blog no much about what down. I'm from.
Damn it! My Sam is scared. Like you so crying for. Oh, we're ready. I think I'll see a simple.
Ele vem com os mais plantos pretos.
Behind the scene. I know my Akwasi was in the Chamuno. Why she has your pra? And I won't pra.
Pra concro. Bororos cross 40. Tiporondos.
Get now she has your pra. Kafrawati. Akwasi TV. Enti. A hondo. Nadia na kawa o share sesa. Oh. Kafra. Akwasi TV for no. There was setting so. Englishman in here. Your new character or couple of say you know. What do you say? Now they say. Now the camera good. Kabibi fire home. I didn't know about setting so bad. Oba Mundian woman. Tim now I don't want but no dear woman. Dear now saying I was feeling.
Well, I have to say that the whole thing is exhilarating because I have come to see a number of animated activities here that I might have not seen anywhere. As I tell you, the number of ladies here, the baby I have found here is incomparable to whatever I have seen ladies. Akwasi TV, you see, Akwasi TV. Just go there, watch their videos, subscribe, and watch more. You come to realize that they are Twitter-pating videos that are of morality, videos of education, videos of religion, name them. You will attest to what I'm saying. You will check the veracity of what I'm saying. I greet you.
We are the fundamentalists, the philosophers, and fasticralists. Do you know fasticralists? Fasticralists like what's the name of you? Enchinam. Do you know Enchinam?
I oh my Mickey is also aye.
Hey. Oh,
I've seen it dear. Oh, Bibika.
The mechanician Monko's on here Akwasi TV. Akwasi TV is simply amazing.
Randy, I don't know how short one is. I did yes, someone.
Akwasi TV. No, my papa will. The woman she never won.
Who never did any Aquawi? David,
You know what? My patronymic is Success Stories.
Soon got talk for you. Yes.
Say it.
Pick up.
Would you know what I say? When you're doing
that is it.
I'm right here.
Kafla.
Hey!
Oh, Kafla, Mrs. Kafla.
Hey!
Oh,
hey!
I get it. Yesterday.
Oba, what is it?
coke back. Maybe to not deal with you. Corner two.
Show me what's up.
Kotona kono ho.
Oh boy,